Hello, I am your humble Spud, and welcome to Bloody Hell. This looks like a bullet hell type of game, and as far as I know, you play as a bird angel. Yes, a bird angel, pixelated bird, that fights their way through hell to get to Satan. So what's not to like? But this game is free, and I see that it has overwhelmingly positive reviews, so I'm kind of interested to see how good this is. Yes, I want to start a new game. Alright, let's do this. Hey, Azrael, dear, wake up. God has summoned you. You must go see him, dear. He's up there and opened the golden gates for you. Just enter through them. Ooh. I gotta go eat. How you doing, friend? If you happen to go down into hell sometime, bring some demon bones back up with you, will you? Ooh, are those gonna be like a currency? I'll have some good rewards for you if you do, yeah. Demon bones. That's lovely. Who are you? Hey, Az. I wouldn't advise you to go down there. Hell's a nasty place, you know. Oh. I hear God wanted to see you. He's up there through the gates. Something has been off about God since everything happened. Be careful, okay? That kind of reminds me of the game Hades a little bit, actually. This little spot right down there. Azrael, since God has summoned you, I'll let you in. But don't cause any trouble, you hear me? Azrael, you are finally awake. I need your help, but first you must go see God. Go through those gates, then return to me as soon as possible. Yes, Mother. I'm assuming that's my mom. This is pretty. Azrael, thou shalt fulfill a holy mission for thine God. Thou doth this by eradicating mine greatest nemesis and former ally, Satan. Accomplish thine holy mission, and thee shall receive the greatest reward. Now goeth and satisfying thy God. Oh, just jump right in, okay. Whoa. Whoa. Shoot. Oh, that's satisfying. What are you? Oh, that's a door? Okay. That's creepishly cool. Okay. Disintegrate the banished. The skull can be filled with rage. Once you've gathered enough rage, you can hold down E to heal. Dealing damage and feeding the skull hearts will generate rage. Whoa. Okay. Dude. What? Whoa. This is very incredibly satisfying. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I haven't played a whole lot of bullet hell games, so I honestly don't know how I'm going to fare. I do apologize for people who are used to seeing good bullet hell players, but I am probably not going to be one of them. Although I assume you're doing okay so far. But anyways, oh, I need to heal. What was it? E? E. Cool. But anyways, it's going to be interesting to see how I do on this. Oh, I can dash now. Okay, cool. Shift. All right. Ooh. Is there any way to... No. Keyboard. What's oh, that is right click. Okay. So can I do this for my dash? Possibly. I just want to double check to see if I can. Oh, that's gonna be much easier for me. Oh, okay, I died. Oi, Azrael, it's you. How you doing, man? You were sent by God, eh? I also came down here just to beat the living daylight out of Satan myself. Anyway, good luck here, Az. Let's see who can beat Satan first, eh? Oh, you're on. Oh, last thing. I would advise you to interact with those crosses from the ground. On the ground, they serve as a gateway to heaven, and you can return on them when you die. You can also take a quick rest at them to restore your health. Oh, heck yeah. So these are basically... Yeah, these are respawn points. Oh, and fast travel? Woo! Okay, so I have 33. I doubt that's going to get me very much. Walk towards an item and I'll tell you all about it. 100, yeah. 200, yeah. 300, yeah. I didn't think 33 would get me anywhere. But, you know, doesn't hurt to try. Can I go down? Nasty place, isn't it? Before you jump down that hole, get back to that cursed place. Remember to heal every once in a while. Yeah, be careful down there, out there. Okay. Now how do I get down there? That is the question. What's over here? Oh, I fell. What is over here? I have to what? Oh no, I fell again. Hello? Ooh. Raphael's prayers. This upgrade lets your prayers be inspired by the great Raphael, which allows you to heal faster. You can equip it at an alchemy table. That's gonna be helpful. That's gonna be good. This is gonna be good. No, I died again. This is gonna be good. Alright. Now, how do I get back? How do I go back? I want to go back. I don't know how. Oh, I just jump. Okay. Well, I suppose that was probably the first thing to do. But I'm a bit dumb, so I just didn't do it. Hell outskirts. Rest and pray. Cool. Full health, I think. Let's do this. I am so going to beat you. I am so going to beat you to Satan. Sorry, man. I know we're good pals, but, you know, you picked the wrong bird to take a challenge with. Picked the wrong bird. Whee! We're going on a ride. That was a good ride. I liked it a lot. Oh, hey, pig. Squeak for me. Aren't you a sight for sore eyes? Go over here. What's over here? Bones. The bones of the damned. Back on our little... ooh, hey. Oh my. Wow, that's a big set of chains. This is incredible. This is actually... Oh, hello. You're a bird. You're a friendly. Oh, Azrael, you should know that if you are feeling a bit lost, you can always open your map. The map will update itself with all the areas you've been to each time you rest at one of those save points we just saw. By the way, there's some big-ass dude over there. He's also marked on your map. I could beat him easily, but, you know, I wanted to leave him for you to gain some experience in the field. Thanks, man. I appreciate. He looks like, what's that guy on Monsters, Inc.? That's what he looks like. I think it starts with an R, doesn't it? Randall. Yes. Gosh, I haven't seen that movie in years. Yep, he's the boss. You've got some honors. Here we go with the... Yep. Okay. And we have reached the bullet hell part. Okay. So I gotta go around now. Find my way back. Well, at least I don't have to go super far. I have had worse, thanks to Dark Souls. Okay, let's heal before we go. Good. Mr. Man, Mr. Birdman. Always nice to see you, always nice to chat. But I got a boss to beat. Pork Chop? Is that your boss name, Pork Chop? That is an awesome boss name, my dude. I have to admit. 10 out of 10. Best boss name. Would fight again. Okay, I'm starting to get the hang of that. Like I said, I am not used to bullet hells, so this is not a new experience, but this is not an often experience for me. So I hope... Oof. Ooh. I hope you'll be okay with my lackluster skills in this. Oh no. 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 Heal. Heal, bird. Oh no. Heal again. Heal again. Quickly. Oh my gosh. Really? Heal again. It's healing time. Well, we're halfway. We're halfway. That's good. That's good. You thought you could get me? You swine! You swine! Oh no. The game might have froze. Ah! Oh, I'm good. Haha. Never mind. It just took a second for the game to catch up. Oh my goodness gracious. I have no health. The game crashing disturbed my juju. Heal! Woo! Oh, so far so good. Oh! Heal, Mr. Dude. Hey! Oh, do I not have a heal? Oh, we are so close. We are so close, Mr. Dude. We're so close, Mr. Bird. Come on. We've got this. 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 Come on. No. Come on. No. Come on. We're so close. Oh, yes. I got an achievement called Steamed Ham. Demon slaughtered. This is delightful in a very bloody way. Faster than the flame. This blood vial makes your bullets travel faster, and you can equip it at an alchemy table. Oh, cool. Okay, set respawn point, and I'm gonna restore my health here. I only have 73 bones. I'm gonna need to defeat more dudes. Oh! Alchemy table? Alchemy table are used to equip skill upgrading blood vials. To equip a blood vial, you must make sure it fits within unlocked upgrade slots. Oh, there we go. Interesting. Okay. Okay, cool. Oh, heck yeah. Welcome, traveler. Oh, you weren't the boss. You're a shop dude. Okay. Walk towards an item, 100 bones, 100 bones. Okay, so you're slightly cheaper than the guy in heaven. Okay. I got bones right there. So I think... Oh, let's go down here, see what's down here. How is this? This game is free. This game is free, and it's astonishing. Do I jump down there? I do. Okay, we're in a... Oh. Oh no, we're in it now. Oh, we're in it now. Oh, we're in it now. This is where the real bloody hell comes. That boss was just a pansy first boss, wasn't it? That was like the equivalent to a first Dark Souls boss. Dang, this is so cool. This is entirely worth paying for. How is this free? My eyes are red when I shoot. I've just noticed. Okay, so I can't go by. I can't go through here. I can't go through here, huh? Is there another way for me to go? I didn't see another way for me to go. Oh, there is. Okay. Parkour? Parkour. Oh. Don't mind me. I'm just gonna blow you up. Cool. Goodbye. What's over there? I don't know. Let's go through the creepy... Whoa, hi. Let's blow up the creepy eyeball door and walk on through. Alright, where are they at? Alright. I'm having ham for dinner tonight. Oh, shoot. If they don't have me first. Woo! Woo! Ooh, no. Ooh, no. Oh, there's more coming. Wonderful. The more the merrier. Bring everyone. Never mind. Don't bring everyone. Oh, that was a good hit. Oof, gosh. Okay. Well, did I get hit? Did I get hit? Where did I get hit? It doesn't matter. I must heal. And I mean to heal again. Okay. Oh, my goodness. My goodness. So much blood. So much blood. I love it. Recharge. Once the skull is filled with rage, you can press Q to use your ultimate ability. After activating, press that to slice up to... Ooh, hack and slash? Are you? Are you? Yes, you are. Hack and slash. Wow. That was... I missed him, but it was cool anyway. We birds. You know? It was kind of painful. You felt like a brother to me because you're also a fellow bird. I didn't want to have to do that. I'm sorry. Okay, so there's got to be a way at some point to destroy rocks. That's a big pile of shit. Don't abolish the resistance. The resistance is nice. We just want to help. Is my blowing up of all of your innards helping? Oh no no. Oh no 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 no. Bird angry. Bird very angry. Oh. Kill the mushrooms. Focus on the bird. Ooh. Ooh. Woo. He's a majestic dancer. This is quite fun. I know it's gonna get harder, but at the moment the difficulty level is quite nice. It's not too hard, it's not too easy. Woo. It's at a pretty good balance, honestly. Which I was kind of worried about a little bit. Woo, that was cool. So then what's up here? Mushrooms. Mushroom man. And an eyeball. Let's go down into the depths of the eyeball, shall we? Oh, this was just over here. Okay. Alright, so then let's go down. Then go to the beyond. Because I'm assuming these are different levels of hell. Hidden laboratory. Oh, I should have just let you stay in your incubator. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Cool, bones everywhere. Bones, bones. Give me all them bones. What is this? Do I even want to destroy this? Okay. You're just a regular dude. That's good to know. That's a relief. Ooh, there's a ladder. That's cool. How the ladder's kind of moving upwards towards me. Why are so many of them in these tanks? I don't like it. I don't like that. Did I make a terrible mistake by coming into this room? Ooh, my goodness. My goodness, my goodness, my goodness, my goodness, my goodness, my goodness, my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. Heal fast. No. Oh. No. 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 No, 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 no. Okay, we're just gonna have to dodge. Dodge and hope. Dodge and hope. Dodge and hope. Oh my gosh, dodge and hope. Oh my gosh, oh. Oh wait, where are we? Where are we? How far did we have to? Oh no. Can I? Shortcut? Shortcut. Okay. I don't really have the time to heal. I don't really have the time. Oh, I got lucky. Okay. Let's try to save our ultimate for as long as we can. Use it when we're desperate. We're getting desperate. We're starting to get desperate, actually. We're... Oof. Alright. So that didn't work a ton. Dang. Okay, it's gotten hard now. Okay. Focusing real hard this time. Focusing real hard. Oof. I still get hit. Did it work this time? Man, there's so many of them. Alright, well, I tried that part like no less than 6 times. I'm gonna take a break from it. But this game is incredible so far. Cannot believe that it's free. Honestly, I'll probably have to do some farming before I try to approach that other spot again, because that was really rough. So I might be missing out on something. I might need more upgrades or something. So I might have to do some farming. But this was fun. This was really, really, really fun. And actually, I'm gonna go check over here real quick to see what this is all about. 200. Oh, these are all super expensive. These are all super expensive. So I'll go ahead and probably get those in the next video or something of this. But I'm probably going to play more. I hope you enjoyed this. It's really fun. It's free. It's free on Steam. But I'm definitely, I will come back to this. I hope you have a good rest of the day, and I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.